back with another video. So today I'm gonna be showcasing the Valentine's Day update. So like, not the update, the event. So, oh wow, this is glitching. What? Oh wow, okay, let me just, no. I'm just gonna decline that and then gonna leave and rejoin because the new Valentine's event just came out, and so I'm just gonna be showcasing all it has. It's not much, but only one of them I can't really showcase because I need friends to do it and my friends are not online. There we go. Much better. So first thing that's new is this heart, like this heart thingy around the entrance of Castle on the Sea. So yeah, that's cool. And then something else also new is the Valentine shop. So you can buy it with hearts, which I'll show you how to get. So there's like a 2x XP, a race reroll, and 20,000 belly. Okay, so here's how to get the hearts. So, oh man, my game is so laggy right now. Oh, wrong place. Okay, now I'm at Hydra Island. Let's go to the NPCs over there. Okay, I'm lost. I think it's over here. Oh yeah, good, got it. See, if I go to this guy, and then I like, and I just kill him. There's a chance if they're within 100 levels apart from you, basically kind of like the elf. Oh wow, I am not used to not having to. Ah, what? You know what? I'm just activating Buddha. Also, yes, I did get fully awakened. All right, where did they go? No, I should have been that way. Oh man, my game is so laggy right now. So if I just kill this guy real quick. Yeah, no, I didn't get it that wrong. But there's if they're at least like I think 100 levels, if they're within 100 levels difference from you, then I think there's a chance that you'll get like a heart, I think. Or do they have to be 100 level distance? I have no idea. Oh jeez. Oh, I'm lagging so much right now. Oh, it's probably 100 levels, huh? Oh my god. The heck? I'm so glitched right now. But no, I didn't mean to press that. Well, that's new. Oh, there's a house there. I'm just gonna go to Castle on the Sea. Oh man, I am playing on my refrigerator internet. Wow. This is just so laggy right now. Oh yeah, I cannot do any lost plays. Sharp resets every hour. Whoopee. See, as you can see here, there's 10 more minutes until the shop resets. So basically, you get hearts, and then also, if like right now, if I try to invite some of my friends. Oh, awesome! Let me invite this guy. So if he joins me, then basically there will be something there. It will basically XP boost. How cool? How awesome is that? So yeah, you get an XP boost if your friends are online. I think it caps out to 3 friends. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it caps out to 3 friends. The highest percentage of what is it called of XP boost you can get is what is it called? Is I think, what did I say? 45%, because you get 15%. You get 15% XP boost every time one of your friends join. Oh man. Hello there. And also, you might have noticed that I've got. Wait, I should probably take off all my stuff right now. And take off my pill scarf. I don't know why I bought the musket. Thought it would be cool. So see, I have merch. Oh wow, that's so glitched. Oh well. So basically, I did not design this. My friend calculator boy something, aka SpeedyPro. Go sub to him at SpeedyCuber2, I think. Go sub to him. He made this shirt. It's awesome. And he also has YouTube channels, and you should definitely go subscribe to it. Hashtag ad. And also, if you want to get it, you'll be supporting my friends. So honestly, I'm just gonna shut out now. Okay, now I've got it. Hello there. Oh man, this is so glitchy. And also, you can also buy like. There's also like 2 times XP boosts. There can also there's race reward. There's also maybe a stat refund. I don't know. And and also there's those new event exclusive accessories. I think one of them is the Cupid's coat, and the other is like love shades, I think it's called, or something. I forgot. But basically, yeah, I'm trying to get Dragon Talent and Superhuman at the same time. So if I talk to this guy, learn. So I just need to grind like some mastery. I need so much mastery, man. I don't even have overheat, man. Damn. Oh well. Now you'll see 15 minutes. Not 15. Oh well. I'm just not gonna grind. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just gonna roll real quick. And I'm gonna close out on this roll. Hopefully I get good luck. I mean like. Ghost? It's okay, so I'll store it. Oh, never. Okay, I'm just gonna drop it. I hope I don't accidentally press eat. Drop. Okay, phew. It's very easy to press eat when you're on mobile. So you should log out immediately. I am not showcasing that because I do not want to lose my stat refund. My Buddha fruit. Yeah, and also I got the musket for some reason. Reload animation is kind of cool. And I wonder if I should put some stats in the gun. Why not? It might be the most dumb. Oh no, this is the. Oh, this is. No, towards the Plockster's the stat refund guy. I'm stupid. And I think I'll just close that out. I'll just close that out. Let me just scroll down to the bottom. Anybody I know? Nope. Wait. Well, there has to be like Kit Gaming or something. Well, there's no one. Alright. I guess I'll end out on that. This may be a short video because I'm playing on literally smart fridge internet Wi-Fi. So yeah. This is the Turby. Signing off.